Huh?
Scared to shoot that bitch. Let's see what this
Now you trying to blame me, huh? Cause you messed it up.
They be like, he got some kick.
Yeah. What good to y'all here, fella, man? I'm back with another video. I look a little rough. It's cool though. Today, we taking my dad to the gun range for the first time, bro. I've been trying to take him for so long, but he be working. Oh, whatever. Y'all know me, running late per usual. So I'll supposed to be meeting him now. I don't know why he just ain't ride with me or whatever, but I think he just got off or something. But they close at 7. I think they close at 7. It's like 5:30. But I'll make it there like 5:45, 5:50. So we'll have a little time, you feel me? Enough time that we need anyway, you feel me, to make the video. Cause it ain't gonna be a long video, about 10 minutes maybe. So yeah, y'all tune in to the video, bro. I'm gonna start back vlogging when we get to the range or whatever. But y'all stay tuned in, man. I don't know what we finna shoot today. We're gonna see what we working with. We might have to rent some too, cause I don't know what all he got with him. But that's what's going on today, man. Hope y'all enjoy the video.
Oh, 2-pack?
To get one.
Oh, drinking one then. Yeah, tell me gonna go fast out that bitch.
Yeah, my shoulder don't lie that on.
Good.
I wasn't even recording.
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
What you finna shoot first? You finna shoot your gun or you finna shoot the AR?
You know, man.
Tell my vlog what up.
What it do?
I'm sure I got the pick. Got the AR. Lock. Tar. You finna shoot a little bit, you feel me? I should've got one of these then. To see who had hit the most.
Yeah.
But it's alright. I'm gonna use my small targets and we're gonna see who hit the most. He got the big one though.
Action. Ready?
Y'all ready? That G-Lock. See, he. You gonna use your same thing?
What?
The same paper?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
I ain't do number one.
You go. I had another. I used it. I think. That one got some kick now. Back here with no headphones on.
This my little youngin' right here, man.
Get
I don't know what he got going on. We finna check him out though. Gotta hold that arm steady. Let's see what he's talking about on the paperwork. Man. Look at that paperwork, man.
Hold on. Alright. We only hit by 2 shots, but cool. But we got one on the red, it didn't. But I ain't gonna let them shells popping on my toe though. But it cool though, we cool.
That's how you hold it, man.
Yeah, right here though. Make sure it's in. So I'm gonna shoot it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Shoot.
Hold on. I gotta put my headphones on. Hold on, chat. Huh?
Scared to shoot that bitch. Let's see what this
Now you trying to blame me, huh? Cause you messed it up.
They be like, he got some kick.
Alright, we know what that thing going for the shoot. Yeah. me? Yeah, you feel me? Fit check, fit check, fit check. Fit check, hold on, fit check. What's your feet looking like? What you got on? Drop foot. Stomp. Sure, You first?
Hell yeah, always.
Alright.
Young nigga on the AK trip.
Huh?
Young nigga on the AK trip. See what he got going on. Hope that bitch don't knock him down. Young nigga on the AK trip part 2. Let's go. Run it.
You ready?
Don't get knocked back, but boy, I ain't catching. Ooh, he got a little shaky. He got a little shaky. He got a little kickback. It's that fire.
With the genuine, you feel me? Cause the video not gonna be long, cause it just us, you feel me? That's why I've been trying to get you the cons 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, I'm here now, nigga.
You here, but dang.
See what kind of charge you doing. Goddamn.
That fuck?
I guess you can shoot farther back out, you know, man.
Yeah, let me see if I can hit the target.
Yeah, she can get some truck. It's already cocked now.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, cool. We ready. Lock it up.
Hit it. Man, he can't hold it. Hey. Control it. Well, look now, controlling that fool, boy.
Well, I ain't got more power than that gun. You ready?
Yeah, this how you do it. My little nigga had 2 hands for kickback. Here you go right here.
I'm trying to see what you hit. Let's see. Let's roll him in and see what he looking like. Let's roll him in. I ain't gonna count. He got some hits though. He's smooth though. Roll my target in for y'all, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Very hard to shoot on these little targets, bro. Man. Cause it would have been body shots on that target. Yeah, on that target, it would have been body shots. But it cool though, cause we finna knock some down, no cap. We finna get a free target and we hit everything. No rock.
Come on, man. Let's see what you got going.
I on one of these cause it's harder.
Talking, man. I hear you talking. Don't let that thing shake you out of trick, bro. I see that. Better get back on this target. Come on.
Bottom one down here.
They Everything shaking that food. Now, don't look at the top now.
Yeah, this
He ain't did nothing at the top.
I just did right
He
here.
just made a little noise at the bottom.
Okay. It's all good though. We got to see what I hit over here.
See, how you gonna get it?
Don't shoot, all right?
I ain't finna shoot now. Better run.
You poor. Boom.
And he got a little 7, 6, 7.
All right, cool. I'll take that.
Dad effects right here. These dad effects.
Get a cut hand. I don't know what I'm doing, my son. Look, y'all, I had forgot to make an outro to the video. Don't blame me. Look, I be doing a lot of stuff. You feel me? But look, I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. You feel me? I want some more gun range vlogs. I be trying to take my damn grandma. She be tripping, fool. But y'all want some more gun range videos? Just let me know in the comments, bro. I don't never have no damn comments, bro. Y'all be fucking with me.
Blackie's stuff, boy.
Yeah, good words, fool. But look, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Let me know if y'all mixing with the little vlogmas outro, man. You feel me? Look, more videos, all vlog. We trying. Come on, work with us. More views, more drops. Come on, let's go. Woo!